Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Attorney. Power your business growth and optimize your Google Ads account with our unparalleled ability to identify and eliminate wasteful clicks on your campaigns. Protect ads. Our powerful system features fully automated click protection through simple and easy to configure rules. In a matter of minutes, you'll be able to design your own rule set that works best for you and your campaign goals. The resources to ensure your success. ClickGuard is top-rated by leading Google Ads professionals for its features, effectiveness, and customer support because we make sure to provide all the necessary resources to ensure your success. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyzes every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.